edit the family and go to the floor plan view here. I just used the LinkedIn file to help me draw the balcony. When it's there, I can unpin it and delete it. That is apartment A footprint. I could actually use that to add the walls on the inside of the apartment. That's a thought. Let me take that out. So right now what I've got is just this. Okay, if I load that into my project, overwrite the old one, there it is. If I look at the level 1, I've got masses switched on in here. I'm just going to kind of drag it over there to get it approximately right. And then I'm going to move the corner of that to the corner of my building. Oh, wrong, slightly off. Let me go back, Control Z. Move corner of that to corner of the footprint there, and look at it in 3D. Just confirm level 1 at 0, and then I'm going to use these elsewhere in my model. So what I'm going to do is if I go to level 1, I've got the balcony selected, and I'm going to say mirror around the middle of that generic 4-inch wall. I just want to check. I always check because sometimes that comes in at the. So here I'm going to check, make sure that that says 0. That's where I should be when I'm creating it. So I've got my balconies in, and now what I want to do is pick all of them. So if I hold the Control key, and I say copy to clipboard, paste aligned to selected levels 2 and 3, that would be my outside balcony shapes in there. Now on the top I've got my roof, so I'm going to go to the roof level. Let's not have shadows. Masses. Lines are on. I'm going to create a roof, just a flat roof around here. But the point that I want to make is that this is an analytical surface that's being used in the study. So really, it's just the outside that I want for my roof shading objects. So if I go to the roof and I say, give me a roof, just use basic 12-inch. I want to say that it starts, well, I can pick lines and create it. I need something that's around my building. Let's say pick lines. Say the roof comes to the inside of the walls here, the inside of the walls there, and there, and here it's I'm just going to draw it. It's 5 feet from the face of the model, so 5 feet. And then I'm going to, I've got define slope is switched off, and I'm just going to use trim TR to clean up the I wonder if I did these the wrong way around. Oops, wait a minute. It's that, and then clean that up. Trim. Let me just escape tab on those. There is no slope, so this would be flat, but what I also want to do is I'm going to put on the inside of this there to here. That would be like cutting a hole, so when I do that, if I look at my 3D model, I've got the outside of my roof here as a shading element in my building. I'm going to save that, so I'm going to say File, Save as Project 03 Model Submittal. Okay, I will go to level 1. This wall that I had here is actually coming all the way out to the balcony here. And the same here. That is dividing on this side. So my model now looks like that. And I'm going to say delete any old energy model and generate a new one.